Welcome to our workshop. We can make many kinds of grinding machines for circular saw blade sharpening, and there are more sizes and more functions for meeting your needs. Planer knife sharpening, crusher blades sharpening, saw blades sharpening, profile cutters sharpening. Here is storage area. We have a large amount of stock available and can deliver quickly. We have 20 years of production and sales experience. Our products are sold to North America, Europe, South America, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Welcome to cooperate with us.